Hey guys, running Kimono here, and even before we dive into the wonderful Walmart haul that I did today, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I did this over 2 days and it was absolutely fantastic. Lots of stuff for the household. We're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. And this is for new signups only. If you've been thinking about downloading this app, do it today. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be anything, a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to get 2,000 points, which is $2. The kicker of why this is so great is that when you get to the $5 mark, you can get yourself a Starbucks gift card. My referral code is right there at the top of the screen. And just to show you how awesome this app is, once in a blue moon, every other month, they always have free items as well. Last winter, they were, you just buy this Kleenex wet wipes and then you get back the points. So it is a really terrific app for new signups only. Again, if you're interested, use my referral code at sign up and you're going to be given an extra 2,000 points, which is $2 on your first receipt. And if you are an extreme couponer, I'm very sure you're sitting on probably, 400 receipts somewhere in your house. So photograph a bunch of them to start racking up these points. You probably can get yourself a gift card this weekend. Okay guys, so this is my Walmart IBOTTA haul, and I had to do 24 rebates for some July the 4th, do so many rebates, get back a $5 bonus. I completed that. Plus I also did some of these on the last day of June. So basically I also got back a level 2, which was an extra $2. And this was just tremendous. Lots of freebies and cheapies in here. So we're going to jog you through all of them. Very easy to do, including some free panty liners and banana boat that is just legit pennies, which we never see, like sunscreen that's like almost free. So we're going to walk through all of this. And I have a little bit of Walgreens too. I did a couple quick little transactions, and then I depleted some bonus cash over at Rite Aid. Bonus cash is only valid for exactly 30 days, and I am so fed up of just not having time to properly go to Rite Aid and do deals. So I mean, that's on me because I'm really bad with time management. So basically I just used the $8 of bonus cash that I had to get a couple items, like nothing too crazy. And I'm just going to show you some of the clearance stuff that I got over at Rite Aid, but I'm going to be probably taking a break maybe the next month or maybe even the rest of the summer because I really haven't been able to find a lot of time to get out there, and the deals haven't been very good either at Rite Aid. I haven't been able to put stuff together. So anyhow, that being said, let's talk about the weather. It's 90 degrees. It's a scorcher here today. And yeah, hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. Okay, so the first store that we're going to talk about is Walmart. Walmart and IBOTTA. IBOTTA is an app which is quite sensational. So Walmart and IBOTTA, they're basically married. They are together, and the most amount of rebates that you can find is at Walmart with the IBOTTA app because they have the most amount of merchandise, and the story is just a really great store for couponing and with the IBOTTA app. So the first little item that I grabbed was this Breathe Panty Liner by Carefree. It is a newer product. Special shout out to Gems Deals over on Instagram. He posted this, I believe yesterday. These panty liners are 97 cents. There's a $1 IBOTTA rebate that you can do up to 5 times. It makes it free plus a 3-penny money maker. So because you can do it 5 times, no coupons even needed, I grabbed 5 of these, and you find them in the regular, feminine care aisle. Then the big sister to this product are these pads, and it's the same Carefree Breathe. These are $4.97. Affixed to it was a $4 peelie. Now on the peelie, it had very strict verbiage saying that you could only use 2 per household per day. So I found 2 with the peelies on it, and I paid 97 cents for each of them. And IBOTTA is giving back $1.50, making it free plus a 53-cent money maker, and the limit for that is up to 5 times, but because of the peelie and I didn't want any trouble at self-checkout, that's what I did. So I just got 2 of those. This is another sensational deal. These are the travel size of the banana boat. This is exactly 1.8 ounces. So there was a recent insert coupon, but it excludes this because this is a trial size or a travel size. However, this was found in the regular display. That's where I found it on at my store. So they have like an end cap, like an aisle cap of like sunscreen, all the stuff to get ready for the summertime, and that's where I specifically found this. So this guy was $2.04. I paid that for each of them, and I bought as giving back a $2 rebate for each. You can do it up to 5 times, so it drops it down to 4 cents after the IBOTTA rebate. So if you consider that this is 3 extra pennies and this is $2.04, I mean, if you pair these two together, it's basically like a cent for 2 after everything's said and done. So I would do this deal sooner than later. I think it's really gonna go quickly because, you know, we never see free sunscreen ever. This is another fantastic deal on the Skintimate razor. It's $5.97. I had a $3 peelie, so I paid $2.97 out of pocket. I bought as giving back a $2 rebate, dropping this guy down to 97 cents. And as I was explaining to you guys, I was trying to do 24 rebates to get a $5 bonus. So this was one of the products. So this deal I did over 2 different days. These Trident gums are $1.12 each, so for 2 of them it's $2.24. I bought as giving back $1.12 when you buy 2, so basically like a buy one get one free, dropping it down to like, you know, $1.12 for 2 or 56 cents per gum. So I did this the last day of June, and then I did it today, so I really like gum. And the Butterfinger, this guy is 88 cents. I bought as giving back a quarter rebate, making it 63 cents. Today I could not find a Butterfinger at my store, so I have a sneaky suspicion that Mrs. Empty Nester probably went to my store and bought every last Butterfinger, because that's the sort of stuff that she does. So, yep, Jana, I'm on to you, so whatever. That's a joke, by the way. Go and subscribe to Mrs. Empty Nester. She's very funny. And we've been ribbing each other for the last couple of weeks about toilet paper and hiding stuff in stores, so it's pretty crazy. Go and follow Jana. You guys are gonna really like her. Suave deodorant is $1.72. A 50-cent coupon in a recent Retail Me Not, dropping it down to $1.22. IBOTTA has a 75-cent rebate. After everything's said and done, it's 47 cents. The lotion, this guy was $1.72 as well. Wow, everything's $1.72. There's a $1 coupon in a recent Retail Me Not, dropping it down to 72 cents. IBOTTA had a $1 rebate, making it free plus a 28-cent money maker. Now this guy, I had $1 or like a 50-cent rebate or something like that in my account, and then guess what? It magically disappeared while I was at Walmart. So that kind of happens, but it even happens to me, and I can't, you know, when you're trying to do like 14 in a transaction, you sometimes forget stuff, but it's okay, it's not the end of the world. So this guy is $1.88. I had a 75-cent coupon, paid $1.13. My Shopkick's giving back 400 points for this, so it essentially makes it free after everything's said and done. It's not the end of the world. And Shopkick, for whatever reason, some of these rebates, it might be different on my account than your account, than Jana's account, so definitely check and see what your points are. Usually about 200 points or 250 points is $1, so there it is. But the Suave Master. This guy is $1.98. Found it in the regular cracker aisle on a top shelf. I had a $1 coupon from a Smart Source, I think in May. So I paid 98 cents for that guy. IBOTTA is giving back $1.25, making it free plus a 27-cent money maker. Two little Pillsbury fudge brownie mixes. These guys are $1.17 a piece. So for two of them, it's $2.34. I had a $1 off 2 tearpad coupon. So I paid $1.34 out of pocket. IBOTTA was giving back a 50-cent rebate, making it 84 cents for the two after everything's said and done, or 42 cents per brownie mix. My mother-in-law loves to make brownies and like stuff for her church or if somebody's sick. So a lot of times when I find stuff like this, I just like keep them all together for her and then I'll give her a bunch. Okay guys, so this little tea, you know how they have like a world country aisle, like they have German food and Indian food and Asian food. This is found at the very bottom of like the Asian. This is a Japanese tea. So this guy is $1.62. IBOTTA has a $1 rebate, making it 62 cents. And I love green tea, so I'm very curious to try that. Now here's an item that was on clearance. It is this company called Mashup. This coffee was $3.05. IBOTTA had a $2 rebate, making it $1.05, so that is not bad. I found a couple more of these Teavana teas. They were $1.35, so really great price point. Items that we're going to talk about now include the Philadelphia cream cheese for $1.96. IBOTTA has a 50-cent rebate on that guy, so it made it 46 cents after everything was said and done. The cheese for tacos and that sort of stuff is $2.68, 75-cent rebate on IBOTTA, making it $1.93. The Challenge butter is $2.86, 50-cent rebate on IBOTTA, making it $2.36. And this Fancy Dancy cheese is $3.18, 75-cent rebate on IBOTTA, 200 points on Shopkick, making it $1.43 after everything is said and done. Now I grabbed two of these while I was at Walmart. I did this over 2 days again. It's a disinfectant spray. If you're gonna buy this sort of spray at any store, say like Walgreens or whatever, it's probably $5 or $6 for one can. And it's $2.67 at Walmart, and it's a pound of it, so that's a really great price point. I got 2 of them for my mom. I thought she could really use them. So whenever I can go and visit her again, because she's up in Canada, this stuff is probably going to be closer to $10 because it is so expensive up there. So I got 2 of them for her, and I know that she'll put those to good use. So you might want to look in your cleaning aisle if they might have this, because they've been restocking slowly on hand sanitizer and this. So I'm trying to get a bunch of these for my mom. So over at Walgreens, I did 2 deals with IBOTTA because I think I was, these 2 I couldn't pass up because they were so great to go with my IBOTTA 24 rebates to get that $5. The Dulcolax liquid was on clearance for $2.49. We have a $2 coupon. I paid 49 cents. IBOTTA had a $3 rebate for this guy, so it made it free plus a $2.51 money maker. So you might want to look through your aisle to see if this might be on clearance at your store, either the pills or the liquid, because that is sensational. The Sweet Tart Ropes is $1.24. There's a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate, making it 74 cents after everything's said and done. So for all of my IBOTTA Walmart items, guys, from what I paid to what I got back, along with a lot of the overage, I think this was like $8 or $9 for everything out of pocket. which isn't bad because a lot of the cheese and butter stuff that we use, because I want to get stuff that's more practical for our household, not just buying everything and anything just because. So to pay that amount, I'm okay with that. I did get a $2 June bonus, just like a level bonus, and then I got the $5 Stars and Stripes. So after everything was said and done, I got like $45.24 back from IBOTTA. Plus I also got back, I think, like 300 points from the Fetch Rewards app. Just photographing my receipts for these items, man, they really paid me back too. All of those points amount towards gift cards, and I'm just really delighted with that. Okay, so let's talk really quickly about Walgreens. This is the deal of the week on toilet paper. So these guys are 2 for $6. The first one's $4, the second one's $2. That's how it's ringing up in my market. I had a $5 register reward from the Tide that I was buying earlier in the week. I utilized one of those. So the new subtotal was $1, and I just threw in 1,000 points and paid the tax. That's terrific. I got some clearance stuff from graduation. This pen was 59 cents and the book was 79 cents. That's the only thing I grabbed, so I thought these were super cute. Okay, the last store that we have is Rite Aid, and one store card that I had, you know, I just had bonus cash that was expiring this week and I wasn't inspired by any of the deals, so I just went and did my own deal. That included getting some clearance stuff. The toothbrushes were 44 cents, so I got 6 of them. Why not? These little measuring tapes, I believe they were $1.12 a piece. And then this sewing kit was like $1.17. I thought, you know, for a trip or just throw it in my purse, hey, I can use this. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Just like I had like $4 or $5 of bonus cash to help me out, to say, hey, how much is this? How much is that? To get me right to the $5 on the nose, or $4.88 or whatever it was. And just unfortunately, usually at Rite Aid, they have some sort of a deal where it's like, you know, buy $40, get $20 back in bonus cash for a P&G deal, but they haven't been doing anything like that this July or June, so I'm just calling it a day there, because it's really hard to juggle more than one store card, especially if you don't have a lot of bonus cash. Okay guys, that's it. Good luck over at Walmart if you're going to do some of these deals, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.